this video we're gonna change an oil pump on an Echo and Shindaiwa 355s. As you can see, it's not oiling. There's no oil coming out. So we need to remove the clutch, but I don't have a tool, so this is the way I do it. Grab yourself a hammer and a chisel. And you want to hit it to the left, to the right hand. Righty loose, lefty tighty. Once it comes out, you can remove your clutch drum. Right there is the oil pump. This is what brakes on them. So there's this little gear right here that on the pump side should have teeth as well, but the teeth are all worn out. What you do is you grab your T27 and remove this. Take that out. Take this out. Take your oil pump out. And reuse the screws. Take out the hose. You can see the inside of the pump. The gears are completely worn out. That's what the old pump looks like. This is a new pump from Echo. Here's the new gears. There's a new pump. This is the old pump. That's the part that goes out, and that's why your chainsaw does not oil. So then you put your pump back in. Put your screws back on. Put your cover back on. Put your warm gear back in. Make sure it's lined up. Make sure it's all the way down. Put some grease on that little bearing. Clutch drum back on. Put your washer. Make sure you put your washer back on. Reinstall your clutch. If your springs are broken or too worn out, now is the time you can change it since you have the clutch out. To put it back on, just tighten it. Okay, now let's see the oil. That's it. Put your chain back on, your cover back on. The way you're gonna see how the chain is all dried up. Gets stretched out and then it quits working. That's how you repair your Echo and Shindaiwa 355 chainsaws. As you can see, there's all the oil. And after you put your bearing chain on, you can regulate it to whatever you want. Here's your adjustment screw right there. And that's it.